guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a very exciting video because this is on free themes. So many of you guys have requested for me to do free themes that you don't have to pay for, and I am ready to do this video because I love free themes and I know you guys will like these. These are super cute. I also have a new case. Look at this. This is a beautiful rhinestone bling case. If you guys could see all that bling, and then I just have this like little pom-pom attached to it with like beads, and I really like this. This is super cute and it goes well with the themes that I'm about to show you guys. I got this case off of eBay. I will leave the link down below. And this one I think is from a little store. It's like a little store, Asian store. What is it called? Oh my gosh. I can't remember, and I'm gonna be mad when I remember, but I got this from there and it was like $1.50. With that said, I will be showing you guys the two themes, yes, two themes that I have that are free, and I'm super happy with how they look, and I will leave all the information that I talk about down below in the description. And I hope you guys like this video, enjoy, and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. The link is down below. I post videos all on my phone as well as other fun, cute videos, so you guys will really enjoy my channel, and I am so glad and so happy you guys are here. So enough rambling, let's just get started. Let's begin with the theme. So this is a free theme. That is the title of the name right there and the creator. And this is a quick preview of what it's going to look like on your phone. It's super colorful, super cute, and it's perfect to add to our phone for the themes I will be showing you. This theme is from the Samsung theme store, and once again, it is free, and I just applied it to my phone. Alright, so here I have my phone. This is the lock screen. It is a beautiful, sparkly, and iridescent, like rainbow color. It has pink and it fades into this beautiful seafoam green color. I really like it. I also like the pink numbers right there. And this one does not have an iris scanner, but that's okay. We're just gonna open it up and voila. Here we have a beautiful rainbowy purple and blue like ombre look. So we do have the same stars as the lock screen, but for this home screen it is a different color, and at the bottom you can see super cute moon and star and a sparkle when you swipe the page, and the phone, contacts, and messages, those are the icons, and they're just very cute, simple, colorful icons that match really well with the theme, and I love how it looks overall. And now I'm gonna swipe up, and here is how my folders look like. So there's like a little candy, it looks like, at the corner, and then it's just a pink overlay for the folder, and these are the rest of the icons. For the calendar, I'm just gonna swipe here, and this is how the calendar looks like. Super cute and colorful. We have a little effect going on with pink and seafoam green. There's a lot of pink. I swipe down here and you can see these buttons, and they're pink. The calculator is super cute. It goes very well with the theme. It's white with pink and purple and green, and this is how the numbers look like. It's just a hot pink. And for the phone, we have this beautiful layout. Look at how cute it looks. I love the super sparkly stars in the background, and I love how it's super colorful. I love this rainbow effect. It's just really pretty, and I like it. This is how a conversation looks like in messaging. It's really nice. You have a star and a moon, and then the super pretty background with like a pink and a purple. Then this is the keyboard. The keyboard is really nice. I love it. Look at how colorful, and when I type, it's pink and that seafoam green color. It's really, really nice. I also enjoy the clock or alarms that I have here. Look at how super sparkly and cute that is. I absolutely think that's adorable. And now for the fun part. I am going to go into my gallery and wow, look at this beautiful, beautiful wallpaper. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so cute, so lovely, and it goes very well with this theme that I found, and I absolutely fell in love with this. This is the little twin stars, a Sanrio character. I really like this image. I found it off of Google. They're just like in a cloud with like a bunch of teddy bears, and also like both little twin stars are there, and they're like sleeping with the moon, and there's just so much color and so much fun going on. This cannot be the most perfect theme ever, like it literally is. But I also have this other theme that I found perfect for this color scheme, and I'm just going to swipe here and look at the cuteness. This is another in the clouds with the moon. I really like this color. As you guys could see this close-up, you guys could see all the color details that match perfectly with the theme that I'm showing you guys. We have a super adorable unicorn. Unicorns are my favorite, so I had to include this. And they are just chilling with the moon on clouds. And look, we have a super cute castle here up at the top. I love that. And I just can't get enough of these two wallpapers that I found. This one is also from Google, and I'm just gonna add that to my screen. So I'm just gonna go to settings and set as wallpaper. We are just gonna click here, and then we are going to set it as our home screen. So this will be going on my phone. It shows you a preview like that. Look at the cuteness, and we're just gonna set as wallpaper. And here we are. So look at how stinking beautiful it looks. I absolutely love this theme, and I love this image. It makes me super happy, so I really like it. I found this really cute other image that I will be setting as my lock screen. They're just the little twin stars and they're sleeping. I thought that was super cute for like the lock screen. And so I'm just going to go to settings again and set as wallpaper. And then I'm going to apply to my lock screen. So that is how it's going to look. I love it. And now here they are sleeping on my lock screen. Now I will be taking my phone another level, and I will be going to the glitter application that I have on my phone, and pretty much this is an all glitter effect that goes over your phone, whatever wallpaper you have, or if you just want like the color that you want, you can click that and then just add sparkles, and you can pretty much create a sparkly background and it turns it into a live wallpaper. There's so many options, so many glitter speeds, types and colors, directions and size. It's so adorable, and I will be applying this to my wallpaper image. So you have the ability to just add the image and then add the sparkles over that. And so this is what I will be doing here. I'm just going to make a rainbow glitter, and I think this is good. And here is my image that I will be applying it over. This is so adorable. I love this rainbow glitter, and I think it's just going to make it even cuter. Now I'm just going to set wallpaper as my home screen. And wow, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I can't get over it. It's so nice, and I think it goes perfectly with this theme. It's super magical looking now, and I think I really love this. So this is the overall look of it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you guys really like this theme because I definitely love it. So see you guys in my next video. Bye!